Hi, this is a follow-up video about the pre-assembled Rectifier Relay Board assembly that I showed in a previous video that you can use when you're hooking up a Wi-Fi video door camera to your NuTone Intercom system. In the original video, which I'll put a tag in for right here so you can see it if you're interested, I showed sort of a quick thrown together little circuit board with some wires that I used. I wanted to do a follow-up video because I've had a lot of inquiries. A lot of people have gotten them from us. I wanted to show you the final sort of more user-friendly setup that you would get if you get one of these, because sometimes I take things for granted as being obvious when for other people they're not. What you have here is a little piece of project board, a little piece of perf board, and all that's on it is a relay and a rectifier and some wires, and that's what I showed in the original one. But this is the user-friendly version that you would get if you get one of these. One of the questions that everybody seemed to ask me was, which wires do I hook up where? And although it seemed obvious to me, it's apparently not to everyone else. So I grouped the wires together. You have these two at this end, and it has the red heat shrink on it. And you have these two on this side, and it has the black heat shrink, which is a little hard to see, but it's right there. There is a insulating card on the back of it, and we need to put the final piece on this, so let me go get it and I'll be right back. The last bit that finishes it off is you get a label, and the label will be on the back of the insulating card, and on the label it says red is power and black is switch. So for those of you who that's not clear enough, the red side, the part with the red heat shrink tubing, that's the side that connects to whatever your Wi-Fi video door camera's power module thing is. And the black side, the switch, is the push button, goes to the back of the push button on your NuTone door speaker. So red is power, black is switch, red is Wi-Fi, black is push button. So this is what you get. It's small enough. This is about, it's about 2 inches square or so, and it's fairly shallow. This will easily fit inside the rough end behind a NuTone door speaker without a problem. If you're concerned about this being exposed, which you don't really need to because it's inside the wall, you can always wrap it up in a piece of bubble wrap or something like that to just cover it over, but it's fine as it is. So if you order one of these from us, this is what you get. That's all. See you on the next video.